This is a beginner-friendly tutorial to understand TypeScript. If you are familiar with any programming language like C, Python, Java, C# or JavaScript, you can quickly learn how to use TypeScript. TypeScript is a very powerful language which uses most of the features of JavaScript. It also has additional features which are supported by modern browsers, which can give you a very good language to showcase in your professional career as well. If you are new to programming, you would need to install a text editor for this tutorial. I am using Visual Studio Code, which is one of the most popular text editors in the industry, but you are free to use any editor of your choice. If you have some experience with JavaScript, you would be familiar with Node.js. If you have installed already, you do not need to install it again. To check that, you can run the command node v in the terminal or in the command prompt, and you should see your Node version. If it is not installed, you need to install it first. It is completely free and has LTS support. After ensuring that our Node.js is installed properly, open the text editor. For Visual Studio users specifically, you can download a few extensions to help coding in TypeScript. I will be using these two extensions for this video. Let's create a file in TypeScript. Please note that all TypeScript files end with the extension .ts. Now, we will install the TypeScript compiler to compile our program to run it in our machines. For that, type the command npm install TypeScript to install all dependent modules in the folder you are working on. If you want to install it globally, type the command npm install g TypeScript. Now, we are done with the setup. For this tutorial, we understand the very basic concepts. Starting off, let's try to print something on the terminal. We use the function console to print something on our terminal or to debug any code. We will get to functions later, but for now, just follow along. Now, we need to save and compile our file. Type Ctrl+S to save the file and click on the terminal window. To compile TypeScript files, we use the command tsc followed by the name of the file. Notice the folder carefully. The compiler has just created a JavaScript file for the TypeScript code that we have written. To see the output, type node followed by the file name in the terminal, and that's it. Now let's use some variables to understand the difference between the two languages. For those new to programming, variables are used to store any data that we may need at a later stage in our program. We first need to declare variables to use them. I will delete this code and declare two variables. As the name suggests, we can give data types to variables using TypeScript, just like in languages like C. The const keyword is used to declare a variable, whose value will not change in the future. Now let us print these variables using the console function. Great, now let's compare our file with the JavaScript file that was created. There are a few observations we can make. First, our const keyword is replaced with var keyword. Second, the types that we assign to our variables are not present. So, using TypeScript, we can ensure that our data is being stored with proper data types to avoid any mismatch. I recommend you all to look out for more data types and some basic operations that you can perform in the console, like addition, string concatenation, etc. In the next few videos, we will discuss about arrow functions, interfaces, and other properties of TypeScript.